Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to this Ubuntu Linux machine from this Windows 11 machine, and we'll be using SSH, which is a secure way to do a remote connection. Now on this Ubuntu Linux machine, we just need to make sure that SSH is enabled and running, and then we'll also need the IP address on this Ubuntu Linux machine, and of course you need a username here and a password. Now let's check the status of SSH services. The command is systemctl status SSH. Now on this machine we see that it's active and running and it's enabled. Now if it wasn't running, you can use the same command and you just change this to start SSH, and that will prompt you to put in your password. So let's go ahead and put in our password here and then verify the status again. And the next thing, like I said, you need an IP address. Now there's two ways to check it. You can check it here on the terminal. You can do IP address, and this is the IP address right here. You can also go to this icon right here, top right, and then click on this settings icon, and then under wired, if you click on this settings icon again, you should see your IP address listed here. Once we have that information, we can go to the Windows 11 machine and do the connection. Now here there's a built-in SSH client that we can use. Just open a command prompt, or you can open PowerShell. And the first thing you might want to do is just to verify you can reach the remote machine. You can do ping. Then the IP address for the Ubuntu Linux machine was 172.16.1.101, and I can reach it via ping. Now to connect to it, type in SSH, then type in the username configured on that remote machine or the Ubuntu Linux machine, @, and then the IP address 172.16.1.101. If it's your first time connecting, it's gonna ask you if you trust the key. Here you can type yes, and then you'll need to type in the password for this user Eno, and I'm connected, and this is the session right here. And I can go ahead and exit. Now the other way to connect is you can use tools such as PuTTY, which is a free tool that allows you to customize your connections. You can have connections saved. You can also, there is also tools that are paid for, like Secure CRT, that allow you to do the same thing. Let's get PuTTY here. If you open, let's go ahead and open a browser. Okay. Once you have the browser open, you can search for PuTTY download. Okay, you can go to this link right here, and here you have the different options. We'll go with this first option here. Okay, that should download to your downloads folder by default. So go to your downloads folder. There is the installer. If you double click the installer, you'll get this pop-up. Next install. Click finish, and we are done with the installation. Let's go ahead and search for PuTTY. And there's the app, and like I said, this has the option to save some of your sessions here. It also has the default session. You can customize different things such as appearance, colors, font, and so on. So let's go ahead and put in the IP address for the remote machine here, 172.16.1.101, port 22 for SSH, and then click open, accept. Here you'll need to type in the user name and then the password again, and again I'm logged in. So that's it for this video. Those are the two ways you can use SSH to connect remotely to your Ubuntu Linux from a Windows 11 machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.